Yeah, just now, with today's date being December 24th, 2025, a fair hearing judge just called me. I should have put on this laptop and taped the audio with the judge said and what I said. It was about the storage company and HRA, the city, New York City, keep auctioning off my stuff under size discrimination. And the judge called me to ask if and how they have not paid me back for that auction sale. And the judge also asked if I got the evidence package from the city lawyers or so forth from the city defending HRA, knowing the mayor and the city is still the boss of HRA. Conspiracy that's going down with size discrimination, housing discrimination, job discrimination, and all other form of auction discrimination with their conspiracy with CubeSmart Storage Company also serving me a letter dated back December 29, 2023, termination as the Miss Thomas in CubeSmart told me, Miss Thomas, the supervisor in CubeSmart told me HRA call them and tell them to terminate me because of size discrimination or not paying the arrear that they do their illegal lockout and auction crime, government waste and fraud and abuse further. Year after year is a total of 6 eviction, going 7 eviction even. Most recently I almost face again for December 7, 2025, and also the same eviction with that termination letter from December 29, 2023 into December 5th, 2024 auction sale with CubeSmart. Let them pay me back for my things so they keep selling. Because they use a lot of people and abuse us with job discrimination, housing discrimination, bankruptcy discrimination, where bankruptcy judge allow banks to thief our house even when we declare Chapter 13 do their error and mistake with their conspiracy to cover up all these crime with lawyers, Jews, investors that I even spoke out on December 17, 2025, hearing with a judge in the Supreme Court on some form of video conference over my daughter's phone. I call out these Jew lawyers, investors, and banks, judges, and more, city, state, federal judges covering up their conspiracy when they robbing and stealing from people of color with colors of law, and talking size discrimination to me when they don't want people under reasonable accommodation with even SSI check that will qualify for them to pay for storage with. To expedite my storage payment more than month after month, year after year, my stuff is being robbed under city, state, and federal government covering up their crime as they auction off our stuff for banks and bigger storage corporations. And the government do benefit under these conspiracy to cover it up and show further abuse. I'm gonna make them start paying me for everything they're robbing. Because when they go and talk size discrimination, my daughter and all shouldn't be in Niger house. Because the judges them stole our house for lawyers, Jews, investors on a void sale, void deed. In Queen Sybil Housing Court, even we're suing Queen Sybil Housing Court, and the AG going come talk about, oh, this is not my what, not. Yeah, where you think I was living when Queen Sybil Housing Court and Queen's Foreclosure Court violate and breach the contract with foreclosure, much less eviction. I filed Chapter 13 September 22nd, 2000 at 9:57 a.m. and I'm fighting it for 25 years plus. And these conspiracies huge, where the judges themselves violating the United States Constitution with conspiracy, fiduciary duty breach with trustee. You can't even trust the court system no more. See? Because they judge them full of shit. They judge them as dirty. Before they tell the truth, they allow Jew lawyers, investors, and bank to be robbing people of colors under colors of law, to steal our entire asset, house, income, job, retirement fund, or estate or real estate, inheritance for our children, and our business. See? It's not the end of the road, so let them forward over my evidence package. And here 72 page the judge just said, she asked me if I get it. I didn't get it. They know what they're doing. They're doing their conspiracy. And they're going to pay back for everything they've been robbing from the first auction sale with my house right down to the retaliation with another 6 going 7 as it continue into 2025 over to 2026.